This video is to demonstrate an example of a family law workflow around a dissolution of marriage. Once in the workflow template space, I'll name my workflow. I'll assign my workflow to a practice area and provide it a description. I'll then head to the lower part of the screen and use the green and white plus sign to start building in my workflow steps. I'll begin by adding a workflow event. Here it'll be the filing of a divorce complaint. I'll give it a description if need be, and you'll see here that because this is the first event in the workflow, it is designated the anchor date. On the right, this anchor date will automatically be assigned to the responsible attorney for the matter. Next, I'll add an additional event as part of my workflow. This event will be around a deadline. And here on the right, I have my dependency settings. This event will automatically be assigned to the responsible attorney for this matter, and we want this deadline to alert us 30 days after the complaint has been filed and this task has been marked as completed. If need be, because this is the second of the steps in the workflow, I can update this event to now be designated the anchor. Last, I'll add a third event to the workflow around the completion of this process. In this case, it's completing the waiting period for the time of filing the divorce for final judgment. This event too will automatically be assigned to the responsible attorney for the matter, and in this case, we want an additional 30 days to have gone by past the completion of the deadline to have the defendant file an answer to our complaint for divorce. Now that these steps are outlined, I'll go ahead and click Save on the bottom right corner, and I'll get my green and white confirmation banner on the bottom left corner saying that my workflow has successfully been saved. I'll remain in this window so that I can continue to build my workflow or make other changes. If I'm content with the workflow as it's built, I can now head over to a matter and begin using that workflow within any of my matters.